Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Discovering Japan. On our last video, we were showing you a house that we were considering making an offer on. And well, long story short, we made the offer, it was accepted, and we bought the house. So since we were here last time, they have started the renovations and the project and everything. If you want to see what the house looked like before we started the renovations, go back to that old video and I'll put a link up to it and go back and check out what the house looked like before we started the renovations. But it's about 5 hours from where we live, so we only come up here about every 4 to 6 weeks when we can get up here. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna take a look. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright guys, so let's go inside and take a look. I want to see how what kind of progress they've made since the last time we were here. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh man, yeah, you guys don't even know. Well, go back to the other video and take a look. But yeah, this is the dining room. Wow. Hardwood floors underneath all this stuff. The kitchen, oh my goodness, man, this kitchen was so different. That back wall over there was just like one strip where the stove and the counter was. There was no counter space whatsoever. And we ordered 3 meters of counter space here. So yeah, and yeah, imagine cooking here and looking out at these views. I mean, you can't really see it today, but the mountains over there are absolutely covered in snow right now. And the yard's got to be cleaned up quite a bit, but man, look at these views. Man, yeah, I can get used to this. Yeah, I got the pantry, the stove. So everything's covered up because they're still working. Tile work looks great. New sink. Oh man, nice little study space over here. I'm gonna put a desk in right here that goes all the way across right in front of the window just to look out at the gardens. I know the garden isn't much to look at right now, but it definitely is gonna get cleaned up come springtime. Man, oh gosh. I heard we might have made a mistake on these stones. I made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake. I wanted gray stones and I accidentally picked the wrong catalog number and I ordered this color. But I think we're gonna be able to take care of that. We're gonna be able to fix that and it'll match this. But yeah, this is where the wood burning stove is gonna go. Television on that wall. This is the living room, obviously, by the way. So, yeah. In here, we're gonna have the traditional Japanese room with the tatami mat floors. And yeah, I've got the nice shoji doors. That's really bright. This old table, you might have seen it in the other video. It's really a lot of reflection right now. You can't see it very well, but that's gone. We're selling that. It's just not gonna fit in our house. It's just too big. But yeah, all these old curtains, that's all gone. But we've got, yeah, everything's. This room they haven't really done too much in. Some new switches. We're getting the a new air conditioner put in here. Yeah, everything is coming along. I got the new Fusuma doors. Yeah, wow, this looks really good. Yeah, this is what we ordered. I think he said it sticks a little bit. They're gonna fix that, but yeah, the new Fusuma doors. Nice. Yeah, they're gonna fix that. This is our guest room where we hope to be able to house missionaries when they come up to the area and be able to stay here at no charge. So if you're a missionary or wanting to spread the gospel in Japan, we got a room for you here. I know it's pretty messy right now. Man, it's looking good. Nice views outside there. It's right into the garden, which will be cleaned up. Yeah, looking very good. All right, continue on. This is the hallway. We're gonna have a couple of chairs here that, again, they look out over this nice little garden area. We've already got a couple of chairs purchased. That'll be really nice. I want to see the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there was a piece of artwork. Oh, there's no light in here. It's really hard to see. Yeah, okay, this is a better angle. But yeah, there was like an old piece of old artwork. I'll be able to show a picture of it, what it looked like. And it was just this piece of wood, and I said, no, I don't want that. But we decided to use it as a live edge vanity for this sink. So yeah, I think it came out really nice. And again, just nice views right out to the mountains from this bathroom area. Senmenjo, as they call it. We didn't have to do anything with the toilet area. We just kind of kept it as is. Just put the new flooring down. I want to see the bath. The bath was horrible. It was absolutely horrible before. Let's get that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we got all this nice stonework. Let me get in here and see, because I know it's bad lighting. But yeah, we got all this nice new tile work in here. Nice new bath. It is really hard to see because there's no light switch here, so I can't turn the lights on. We got these nice in-ceiling down lights. Again, with nice views. Nice sink. But yeah, definitely gonna need the lights in here because the walls are kind of dark. But I wanted it to kind of feel like like a Japanese onsen. I'm not a big fan of these doors, but we get the job done. But anyway, yeah, really nice. Awesome. Let me get this back. They're still doing construction. Back up. Very good. All right. Cool. That's yeah, really nice. I like it. The wallpaper turned out nice. In Japan, they wallpaper everything. They don't paint, so everything's wallpapered. I asked them to paint, and they're like, "What are you talking about paint? It's wallpaper." I didn't argue with them. We just said, all right, whatever, do it." We chose some wallpaper. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Wow. All right, this is whoa, look at the bedroom. Nice. They've done some nice drop lights in there. New flooring. New wall covering. Oh, looks like, so there's the closet. This is our giant walk-in closet. I know it's a little bright in here. There's no light switch yet, so a couple of drop-down lights. Ooh, cool. Yeah, I want to take a look up there while it's open, while the workers are still working. Yeah, look at that. Oh, very pleased. I know we got a little bit of interesting wallpaper here, but we'll have some dressers that are going to be about this high. So, yeah, I know it's very busy, but I think it'll look nice once the nice wooden dressers are about up to here. So, yeah. All right, let's go up here and see what we've got. Oh, nice. Yeah, the ceiling looks really good. Or the roof. Oh, he actually left the light on up here. Oh, cool. Well, the electrical wiring is just kind of all over the place. And yeah, got the insulation up here. I told him I wanted it well insulated for the winter. And what the heck is that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like some kind of Buddhist thing right here in the center of the house. Or like some kind of a, I don't know, religious thing for Buddhism. I'll go over there and check it out in a second. But yeah, this is definitely some kind of a Shinto Buddhist blessing. I'll do a little more research on it after I get out of here. But yeah, let's get it out of here. All right, I don't know how this is gonna come out. Oh, this looks like it just comes up. Yeah, you're out of here. All right, say bye-bye. So I'm actually gonna go out to the workshop and build a cross to put up here instead. So let's go out and build a cross. All right, so we're gonna go in the house and put this thing back up there. We're gonna take that down. It's our house. We're Christian, and Jesus Christ reigns in our home. All right, let's go put it up. All right, got the cross. We're gonna put it right there. Put it right there. So when the construction workers come up here, they'll see that this is a Christian home. It's no longer Buddhist. All right, hang on a second. All right. Seems getting tight. All right. All right, well, that was interesting. Yeah. All right, but that's it. There's not really much to see on the outside. You can go back to the other video if you want to see the outside, because it actually looks worse now than it did then, because we just haven't been up here. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm pleased. Man, I can't believe the difference in this kitchen. It looks totally different from what it did when we first bought it. And yeah, maybe I'll throw in some snapshots of what it looked like before, or go back and watch. Better yet, go back and watch the other video of when we first looked at the house and we're deciding if we wanted to buy it. So, yeah, that's it, guys. We're excited. We should be moving hopefully in a month or so, depending on how much time I can get videos edited and everything. We'll get stuff out as soon as we can. But yeah, we're excited. All right, guys. I'll catch you next time on Discovering Japan.